Welcome back everyone. This is MoneyTreeTrading.com. We are an online education company where we teach courses related to technical analysis of the equity stocks. And there are our company website link here, Facebook, Twitter account links are also given on this page. If you want to know more about us, please visit our website. You can follow us. The links are available on our homepage as well. If you go to our website and go to the bottom of the page, these YouTube, Twitter buttons will take you to our social media accounts. So this is about us, and this video presentation is to review a stock which we do regularly. And before we get back to our stock, let's have a look at the disclaimer quickly. I always suggest my viewers to pause this video for a while and read it thoroughly because it's very important. But in brief, this disclaimer says that all the information provided in this presentation is only for educational purpose and nothing else. So that's our disclaimer. Let's get back to the chart which we want to review today, and this is Reliance Capital. So Reliance Capital is a stock which we reviewed last week also. In fact, this is our third or fourth review of this stock. So last time what we said is that stock was in a downtrend on a daily chart, and the day this stock break this high at 448 here on this point, we assume that because the structure has broken the previous swing high and has started making higher highs and higher lows. So in our last week review video, we said that this stock has moved into an uptrend now. So what we were expecting is a pullback from these 484 levels up to maybe some 400 380 kind of zone. But market gave us a quite a good surprise to everyone. So it didn't actually stop falling here in this zone. So it in fact broke the previous low also, which is at 334, right? So this is also broken. So now because this structure is actually not as per our expectation, we have to change the view of our trend. So last week we said it has moved into uptrend, but now the current structure is saying that stock is still in downtrend. We have mentioned it here. The primary trend is down, and these are our swing lows and highs. One is here at 780 level, second swing is at around 400 here, then this is our swing high 627. So current swing high and lows are here at 487.35, and current swing low is at 334.15. So now because this structure is breaking its lower low, previous low here, and yeah, so because it's breaking, that's why we are saying that the trend is still down, and the stock requires to break this swing high 487 to show that the uptrend has started in this stock now. So that will be our assumption, that as long as the stock is trading below 487, the trend will remain down. That's our assumption. And now in future, what are we expecting from this stock is that uh, of course this is it has made a lower low, so but we do not know till what point it will keep falling. The price action will tell us. It will keep falling till say 300 or maybe 280 levels, or it will give a reversal from the current zone itself. So now we are expecting, of course, one leg up. If this downtrend has to continue, then there may be a pullback of say maybe some number here 390 400 kind of zone, and then again it may start falling to continue its downtrend. Or there is another possibility that if this is going to be a reversal zone, then it should go up all the way from its current levels to 487 and above to break this high, to say that I am changing my direction now. So that's our assumption. Current primary trend is downtrend. We are expecting to show a pullback up now, and if downtrend continues, then it will make another lower low, which is will be lower than this current low, which will be made in next few days. So that's our review of this stock. uh, for more updates, please visit our video next week. Again we will review this stock. And for people who want to know about technical analysis, we have an online course which you can actually attend. Here is the link for our course. If you go to our website, you will find a link courses next to home button. It will take you to this page which says technical analysis of the equity stocks. The course details are available. You can fill up this form on the right quickly and tell us that you are interested in the course, so that whenever we launch and publish the start date of the course, we will inform you about this. So that's about this stock review, and we will get back to you next week again with our further reviews. Till then, happy trading. Thank you very much for watching this video.